Innovation in scope. This is what Ovesco stands for. With keen intuition for the medical need, we develop and manufacture tools to enhance patient care. It all started with the OTSC clip in 2006. But Ovesco does not only focus on clips. This product formed a solid basis for many other technologies. The wire in our DC cutter is processed in such a way that 150 ampere can flow through the 2.6mm instrument. With equal efficiency, our expertise flows into the development of new products. We bring together expertise from different fields like electronics, material science, diagnostic microsensing, robotics, product design, and more. We offer comprehensive procedures, not only products. The Ovesco team is your companion all the way from training to intervention. Bringing together more than 14 different nations on one campus, we serve customers worldwide. From our headquarters in Germany and our offices in France and the US, our parcels are shipped to over 70 countries across the globe. We see ourselves as pioneers, pushing the boundaries of new technologies. Utilizing our distinct innovative ability, it is our mission to create permanent clinical value for patients in endoluminal surgery.